all you viewers, this is Ben coming at you with another video. A little bit off my usual videos that I do for the Ragtag Tool Show, but today I thought it's something that's often helpful, and why not? So today we're going to replace a pocket watch battery. Now, before we get started, the tools you're going to need are a very, very thin, small little flat blade screwdriver, the pocket watch, and the correct battery. If you don't know the battery, what battery it takes, you might have to open it, take the battery out, look at it under a you also might need a magnifying glass. I don't have one. I already know the battery size. But you might need a magnifying glass. Or you can even, a little trick in a pinch is you can use your phone's camera to see what it says on the battery. Now, when you open it, usually it might be, you should be very careful when you open it. There's a lot of spring and shit that can come out at you. And this, for me, this one right here, this is battery powered. One other thing before I get into it any further. Some watches do not use batteries. They are actual fully wind up. You have to wind up a spring with by using this end. You have to pull it. I'll show you how to set it too. But some of them don't have a battery, and yeah. So I'm going to quickly show you how you get it open, because this is already open. So I'm going to quickly show you how to do that, and then we'll move on. So as you can see, got the cover back on. Now, when you're first looking to fix this, you're going to need to, let's focus, you're going to need to look at the edge, and you might be able to see right there, see how there's a little divot, sort of like something, let's see, focus, you fuck, hold on. You can kind of see it, yeah, right there, right below my finger. There's a little divot that sometimes you can use your thumbnail. I don't recommend that. That's how you pull your thumbnail off. But what I do recommend is a little tiny eyeglass, something a little bit bigger, just barely bigger than an eyeglass screwdriver. Hold on. So a little bit bigger than an eyeglass. Sorry, zoom out. A little bit bigger than an. Sorry about this. In a bit of a pickle. Can't really use the standard work area. A little bit of a bigger than an eyeglass screwdriver. Tweak it just a bit. That'll pop right off. Then you've got access to this. Now with this, you may also have to take the screwdriver and just gently, sometimes these are real stuck and you don't want to damage the this plastic piece. So pull that out and make sure you know which way the battery goes in, and you're very careful with pulling it out. Real quick, I just gotta inspect this one. Okay. Oof, a little dusty in there. Alright, so there's that. Then you're gonna want to take the battery. The one that I uses 377, 376. Also, so it uses 377, 376. There's sometimes it'll say something different. An example, the one that came originally out of this is focus. I said focus. Zoom in. Focus. There we go. Sometimes it'll say SR66, SR626SW. That's the one. That's what's the original battery set on it. SR76, or sorry, 376. Those are other. Basically, that's the same battery. They're just. I don't know why they label it differently. I don't know why they can't just make it simple for us. Simple folk. And shoot, tacky mushrooms. I shall be right back after I find the battery. Really need to be more careful with this stuff. Alright, so let's see here. If I recall, I think it went like this. Yeah. Is that it? That might be it. Alright, then pop you back in. So you gotta be careful. You gotta pop the battery in. Try to be. Sometimes it's not so easy. You gotta really be careful. This one, thankfully, is not so precision that I need to be paranoid about my sausage fingers messing something up, and it's not tight in there really. So then you can just pop this back cover back on. Sometimes it's a little tricky. You gotta kind of finesse it. Give it a bit of a finesse. Make sure everything's. Gotta make sure it's all there, and then let's see. See, she's going. Now to set this one right here. This right here has both the date and the time. It tells you the date and the time. So this has been, I haven't gotten around to this for some time, so let's see here. Now there is 2 steps. There's that. Alright, hold on. You heard that? So click 1, you want to pull it out just halfway, and that will change, that will access the date, or the time. Hold on. Yeah, the date. Focus. Today is today's the 9th. Alright, so that's set now. Gotta set the time, which is what time is it? Come on, phone, tell me. 10:41 a.m. America Standard Time. So small hand is hour, big hand is minute. So let's see. Oops. Shoot. It's been a very long while since I have done this or wound this system, so please bear with me. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright. And then 10. Let's see. Oops. 10:42. So 20, 20, 30, 35, 40. I'll put it at 43. No, 44. Oops, shoot. And so that's at 10:44 or so. Yeah, 10:44. I always put it a minute ahead. Currently, actually, the time is now 10:43. So I always put it ahead a little bit because I have it's a sort of I'm aware that it's a little bit early in kind of that situation, but it's sort of still like gets me to move my butt. So there's that, and then that's how you set it. That's how you replace the battery, and yeah. So there we go. This will be uploaded very soon.